When you go to the Anita Goodesign Garage Sale, it's more than just embroidery designs. Keep watching and find out what else I bought. When you go to the garage sale, you can pick up samples. And this made me so happy. These are the samples that they stitch out and they use for the magazines. And I thought this was fantastic because they're absolutely perfect. And they also have usually written on them what it is. This is Oodles of Doodles, so you know what it is. But isn't that perfect? That is one I was really happy with. I love the colors and the fabric. And like I said, they have professional sewers to sew everything, and it's way better than I can do. So that's one. This is another one. Now you guys have all seen this. It's a bit of an older pattern, but it's a bag. And I've always wanted to see how this is put together. I was able to find the embroidery files too, but isn't that cute? That's something else. Look at this one. These are all going up on my wall, by the way, because they're fantastic. Now this one has a little bit of Velcro on the back, and we will make use of that. But look at the colors and the stitching. Isn't that amazing? I think these ones cost $1, which is also amazing. Okay, this one is my favorite. I actually found 2 of them that are going to go together nicely. I didn't find the pattern, though. I was kind of hoping for this one. I love crazy quilting. Look at the colors and the stitches on this one. Look at its little butterflies right there. Isn't that cool? Right there. Isn't that cool? So I'll have to keep my eyes out for a sale or something to get this one pattern. Can you believe that? All the stuff I bought and I didn't get the one I was really looking for. I got lots of other good ones. Isn't that beautiful though? Now this one I have seen on their website, and the pictures kind of make it look weird. This is amazing. I saw this one and I thought, wow. For some reason, it just, I don't know, doesn't look great. But in person, this is fantastic. I did find the patterns for this, so we are going to be working on this. And I'll have to practice my sewing a bit. So here's another one. This is Spring and Summer. How gorgeous is that? Also going up on my wall because it's amazing. Spring and summer. Confetti, spring and summer. Beautiful. Ah, this is the confetti part right here. Let's see how well you can see it. Isn't that neat? So it's got a little bit of tulle on it. You can see it right here. Wonderful technique that we are going to be working on. Beautiful fabrics, beautiful colors. Isn't this gorgeous? Also going up on my wall. I just thought this was wonderful. This one Don picked out. He absolutely loved it. It's got Velcro on the back. I'll have to find out which one this is. Look at the fish. He really liked the fish. He's going to put it in his office. The bright colors, the gorgeous stitching. Yeah, this one's awesome too. This is one of my favorites. I love how this is put together. Look at those pumpkins and the stitching and the apple and then the crazy quilt part. Isn't that amazing? And the little pieces at the bottom. I absolutely love this. I think this one's gorgeous. Up on my wall. This is from a recent, I think it was April, March maybe. I don't remember. But it's the block of the month, and my goodness, this is stunning. I was like, wow. It caught my attention. I saw it in the book. It's even better in person. Isn't that amazing? I love it. Oh, this is Christmas. You guys know I love Christmas and Halloween. And it's Mylar Christmas. See how sparkly that is? So cute. up on the wall year round. And here's another one, and I love this one too. It is, let's see what it says, Old Time Christmas. And I love it. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this one. So pretty. And I like this one too. It's a Christmas. It's smaller, but I love it. And I'm thinking for $1, thank you. Oh, this one goes with the Oodles of Doodles one. The first one I showed you guys, this one matches. I think it goes this way. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, then I picked up some bigger ones. So this, let's see if we can get a good picture of it. I'm pretty sure is made with Dupont silk, and the thread is gorgeous, but wow. I was really happy with this. I love the colors. I love the fabric. Garden Gate Special Edition Mix and Match is what it says on it. Isn't that stunning? Oh, I love this one. So that's right up with my favorites too. But this one is one I have wanted to do for 15 years or so. You ready for this? I was so happy. Oh, it's sideways. Look at this. I just have never gotten around to it. It's one of those things. And I saw this and I was so happy. So this is the Christmas one. And look, it's put together absolutely perfectly. This makes me so happy. So it's another reason to head to the garage sales when they have them. It's not just embroidery designs. It's gorgeous work, all of their gorgeous work. So I hope you guys like this video. It was requested by a couple of people in the comments to show you this is the last of my stash. And I have all of your Anita Goodesign giveaway, everything organized. Watch for a picture for that. And thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video so you can tell everyone what you can get at the garage sale when they have it. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye.